just had the world's smallest ball with me. 6 days in Mexico. Remind me next year not to go. Too much tequila, cheap red wine, leave me dreaming back the borderline. 6 days in Mexico. Remind me next year not to go. Too much tequila, cheap red wine, leave me dreaming back the borderline. Hey! Bracelets from head to toe. A soccer jersey from a team I still don't know. A cool straw hat, some fake designer shades. I was perfectly dressed for the plans we made. And that's when things got a little bit crazy. One too many jello shots, just a little bit hazy. Saying no, not for us, no. Grab a belt loop and jump on our bus. We're spending 6 days in Mexico. Remind me next year not to go. Too much tequila, cheap red wine, dreaming back the borderline. 6 days in Mexico. Remind me next year not to go. Too much tequila, cheap red wine, dreaming back the borderline. Hey! I think next year I'm gonna just stay home. I'm gonna grab a good book and just be alone. Maybe see a movie or have a good meal. Not sure right now, we'll just see how I feel. Or, you know how you get over a hangover in a couple days, maybe a week or so? Mexico might take a couple years, so it's been a while. We're gonna need a couple buses, but I'd go back.
I'd go back.
Who wants to spend some time in Mexico?
Who wants to? We got a party bus here. I'll tell you, brother.
That's what I'm talking about. 6 days in Mexico. Remind me next year when it's time to go. Too much tequila, cheap red wine, leave me dreaming back the borderline. We're spending 6 days in Mexico. Remind me next year when it's time to go. Too much tequila, cheap red wine, dreaming back the borderline.